Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this moist yummy premium carrot cake. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you. So for this recipe, carrot is the major ingredient we need. And I got this for 200 naira. So guys, these are basically what we need for our carrot cake. We aren't breaking the bank to make carrot cake now. So as you can see, I already grated my carrots, sieved my flour neatly. So guys, let's get to the business of the day. First, I poured in my eggs. Then I added my flavor. You can actually add any flavor of your choice. Vanilla flavor is what I added here. Then whisk. So next is my brown sugar. I use white and brown sugar, quarter cup each. As usual guys, the accurate measurement for this recipe is going to be on the description box. So now I added my white sugar and then whisk. So I whisk this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Guys, you just have to whisk well so to dissolve the sugar. I'm telling you guys for free, this is the best and the yummiest carrot cake you've ever had, guys. Trust me. So guys, lastly for the wet ingredients, I added my oil. You have to add all the wet ingredients together before you mix the dry ingredients. Now guys, I set aside the liquid ingredients, the wet ingredients to mix our dry ingredients. So my flour is neatly sieved. So I added my cinnamon powder. Guys, please always make sure your flour is sieved. It's very important, please. So next I added my baking powder, my baking soda, my baking soda and some salt, a pinch of salt. Please guys, do not forget to check my description box. That's where you can get the accurate measurements for this carrots recipe, okay? So finally guys, I poured in my dried ingredients. Then make sure you mix well to avoid any lumps. So now I poured in our major ingredient, which is our grated carrots. Guys, you can actually blend your carrots using a warm milk. It also improved the color of your carrot cake. That's if you don't want it grated though, but me, I like it this way. At this point, your oven should be on. I'm using a gas oven, so I'm going to be baking this for 40 minutes, exactly 40 minutes, guys, yes. So guys, our carrot cake is ready. Guys, I wasn't capping when I said this is premium carrot cake. Yes. So thank you guys for watching. Please, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.